I am Manjula. Today I am sharing mixed veggie paneer masala curry. This is tasty, delicious and colorful vegetable and paneer dish in rich tomato gravy. This is perfect recipe when you want to treat your family or entertain friends. The combinations of vegetable not only makes this dish vibrant and beautiful but also add a variety of texture in every bite. You can serve it with roti, parantha or rice for a wholesome and satisfying meal. So let's get started. This recipe will serve 4. I have chopped 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I am going to blend this with 1 green chili. If you don't like very hot, remove the seeds and half an inch of sliced ginger. So I have pureed this in a fine paste. So now I am ready to start the vegetable curry. Heat is on medium. I am using 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil should be moderately hot before I put the cumin seed in. So oil is ready. I am using half a teaspoon of cumin seed, 1/8 teaspoon of asafetida, stir, and I am going to put the tomato puree. Let it cook for about a minute. So now I will use rest of the spices. Turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and mix it well. Cover it because it will splatter and let it cook again for about 1 minute over low medium heat. So this has been about a minute, and as you see now it is not splattering that much because it has been cooking for about a minute. Now I am going to add the vegetables. I am using frozen peas. So 1 cup of frozen peas, half a cup of sliced carrots, and I am using 1 zucchini. Make sure zucchini is very firm and you don't have to remove the skin. And 2 cups of cauliflower, just the florets. Mix it well. Add about 1 cup of water. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Vegetables should be tender but not mushy. You should be able to see every piece of vegetable. So this has been about 7 minutes. So let's check out the vegetables. It's almost done, but it's going to cook little more after I put the cornstarch and paneer. So this is okay. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I put this to give the texture to the gravy. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. Pour it in. I will put the paneer. I am using 1 cup of paneer in a small cube. So as you see, it has thickened the gravy, and this is the texture of the gravy I would like. So I'm just going to add about half a more cup of water and cover it again for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this has been about 2 minutes. So let's check it. It's looking right. You can see all the vegetables. That's how I like it. Now is the last thing. I have chopped 1 tomato and 2 tablespoons of cilantro and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir it again and turn off the heat. So this has been about a minute. Looks great. You can see all the vegetables. So when you are eating, you can taste all the textures, which makes it taste really good. It enhances the taste. It's not mushy. So now I am ready to serve. Mixed veggie paneer masala curry. A simple, colorful and wholesome dish for everyday meals. Do try it and let me know how you like it. Give it a try and enjoy a bowl full of color and flavors. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking! For more recipes, check out my website manjulaskitchen.com. Thank you, Manjula.